And that's an affiliate network. Dream 100 is our affiliate network, right? So like the Dream 100 is all around finding free traffic, right? Affiliate networks can be finding free traffic. Difference is, instead of doing it for your own offer, you do it for somebody else's offer. And you do it by finding publishers on the internet or affiliates on the internet that are willing to work on a performance basis. I mean, that's it, right? I mean, there's a little bit of like a different nuance, right? Like he focuses his publisher base on influencers, right? And Facebook groups and podcasts and things like that. But that could be an affiliate inside my affiliate network, a publisher inside my affiliate network, just to marry that, if that makes sense. Questions? Do you guys have any questions on that? Just so I can further clarify. Does it make sense? Do you understand that?
Yeah, but again, I'm going back to who are those people? And it feels like those people are the people that you're saying you don't want to work with.
Well, so here's the deal, right? Like I don't not want to work with those people, because the people that I meet that are that age, that are into it and have energy, those are the people that I could build like an awesome tribe with, that will eat everything I say, and in a good way. It's just, and I want to attract those people, but I want to attract them in a way where I can talk to a group of them at one time, where they don't have like a single touch on me. Whereas as I go at a higher level of, if somebody's, like a mastermind, right? I see that being more along the lines of like working with like the people I like what Russell's culture is about, right? Could it be a combo of like the people that can build a lead generation business with the people that have a coaching business? I think so. I think the thing about with what coaches and the people on that side need to be educated on is that there's a whole world of, one, performance marketers, but two is they need to be educated on, up to this point, like I explain this all the time, right? So like in any business, for a business to be sustainable and work for a long period of time, everybody needs to win, right? So like if you go into a store and you buy a suit and it's the most expensive suit in the store and you want to buy quality, you come home and the thing rips, or it's not as high of quality as you expected for the price that you paid, you're not happy, right? Or let's say that suit is ridiculously awesome, but that suit guy can't sell it for what he wants to. So he sells it where he's making very little margin. Then when he pays his employees, he's barely taking anything home for himself. So he bought the suit from the manufacturer, they make money. The guy who's buying the suit is getting a sale, is psyched because he got a deal on the suit. But that middle guy, that retail store guy, isn't making any money. So he's not going to keep doing that. It doesn't work. Or he can try to figure out how to say, okay, if I bring the guy in to do that, then I can get him to buy other things. That's a strategy. So maybe, but like just speaking about that 1-to-1 ratio, it doesn't work for him, right? So everybody needs to win, right? The customer, the seller. So in my world, we all need to win. And when you look at it from a coach or an info product person, the way that they pay out on a performance basis is really more of a revenue share, where they make the person that's running traffic to their offer take all the risk. So there is a way for me to educate people on how to build a business where you can go out and get your offer promoted with affiliates who are running traffic, arbitraging traffic, that are traffic experts. But the deal has to be compelling to them and has to work for them. So when you look at that, right, like I'm a performance marketer, I don't really run anybody's offers in that space up to this point. When you look at like a media buy, if you're talking about somebody that's new, or you're talking about the coaching, we're all doing the same thing. It's just like, and I've done either a YouTube video on this or a podcast video on this. It really, like media buying, arbitrage, it's all about like the risk that you're taking, right? It's just, if you understand your numbers, then you can take advantage of the marketplace and do things that other people aren't willing to do. I actually want to look at that guy, Anthony Morrison, because he does something clever that I was thinking about, which I haven't positioned it. And I thought about it in the beginning, but like one of the things that I could do, and you guys wrap your head around this, was if I'm attracting people and everybody's trying to build all their own businesses, right? Or they want to go out and be, creating cash flow. One of the things that I could be doing is getting people in, teaching them, and then providing them the offers for them to run traffic to make money. And in essence, what's happening is if you understood what I said earlier, all those people would become an affiliate in my affiliate network. So ultimately, I'm training people to pay me to train. They're paying me to train them to be an affiliate inside my network to run my offers that I would make a piece of revenue on. You follow? You follow that?
Mm-hmm.
No?
Yeah.
Because if not, I can draw it up.
No. Okay. The more offers you have, the more time you have to take to explain them and do the training. So I'm assuming that your one affiliate offer is like Survey Detective, like ClickFunnels is the one affiliate offer that he has an army of affiliates for.
So the way I positioned one affiliate offer was a little different. The way I positioned it was for somebody that wants to be an expert but doesn't have a business yet. What I was trying to show them is what I was describing earlier, is like building a lead gen vertical. So the concept was using surveys to do it, where you can go and generate leads for a specific niche that you're going to be able to sell to somebody in the back end to break even or be profitable. But at the same time, you're building up your own list, and then you can market to that list, nurture that list, and whatever you do with that person on the back end later on is profit for you, because you were able to acquire that lead by somebody else paying for that offer. So when I look at it as one affiliate offer, it could be anybody, any coaching offer. Your offer could be somebody's affiliate offer. And the concept is all around, you would be picking your niche, the person that I was talking to, based on where you want to play in the space with somebody that is talking to the same avatar that you are. Does that make sense? I'll give you an example if not.
Yeah, I feel like I understand, but I also feel like you're asking a lot of the person that you're attracting.
Agreed. I agree. I actually felt like that. It was a lot. It wasn't simple. There was a lot that had to happen for that to happen for them. I was looking too far ahead of this person wants to be like an expert. All right. So I wasn't focused on the initial, hey, just keep it simple. Here, you want to create some cash flow for yourself. Let's do that. And then you can build your list. And then we can figure out what you want to do with it. Right. The only thing I was trying to marry, which I agree with you. And I think that like, that's part of the reason why, like, I was like, there's a lot here. This is too much. Like, a lot has to happen. I don't know. It's not simple. It's doable. It's an unbelievable strategy, right? Like if somebody wants to ghostwrite for experts who have a high ticket, maybe they create a survey targeting people in a certain niche and drive them to ClickFunnels. Hopefully he pays you on a lead, right? Where you can be profitable, but yet anybody that's signing up for ClickFunnels could be somebody that you might be able to sell a book writing course to, because he talks about writing books. He talks about using books as a lead magnet. He does it himself. As a matter of fact, a lot of people make a big mistake when they first start with ClickFunnels, where they think they need to sit and write a book off the bat. And it takes them 6 months to a year before they even get started, when you shouldn't be doing that, right? But a lot of people do it, right? They think they need that book. It's kind of like, in my personal opinion, that's equivalent to somebody who wants to start a business and focuses on their website and they focus on their logo, but they haven't sold anything yet, right? And I'm all about like, sell something first, and now you have something you can sell and people want it. Now let's go build everything else on the front end that you need to get the people there, right? You start from the back and work your way forward, right? But the whole concept would be around like anybody driving a lead for ClickFunnels. If you're somebody that is an agency that builds funnels, if you're somebody that teaches Facebook ads, or a designer, all those people could go, and that's your one affiliate offer, right? So you go and get your affiliate offer that has the same avatar as you, but it's not competing. You're able to monetize your traffic with that offer, with that partner of yours. And then you're building up a list of qualified people that now you can either send more affiliate offers to, or, send your own offers to, right? So like, from your perspective, Lori, if you come up with your who, and this is why like a one affiliate offer strategy would work amazing for you, is you would try to figure out how to target somebody that needs something on the back end that would be your partner to support your buying leads that would be relevant, that they'd also want to write a book. So like something with whatever types of experts you're looking for, right? Something that would attract me, that then you're providing for me. You're targeting me using, Tony Robbins stuff, right? And then Tony Robbins has his KBB or whatever, right? You're getting them there. You're talking about all the things about building a mastermind. And then you now have that person inside your database to communicate with, however you want, right? How you position it on like the survey side depends. Like, hi, I'm Lori Lynn, blah, 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 blah. And here's the things you need. And if but whatever, that's the point. So, but I don't disagree with you.